Like I seen a wedding were completely natural, and even those all the costume, jewelry,
Ornaments.
and all were looking luxurious only. But you didn't do any makeup and all. Like how you prepared for those? Like what all the preparation you had, and the like when he was tying the little chain, your look was absolutely awesome. Like for all those things, how you prepared, and actually you literally had that thought in your mind that I should like look like this only, or it was just
No, I had that thought because I have seen my face with the makeup and without makeup. What I felt is makeup is hiding my natural face. So naturally I'm looking good, but makeup is making me look ugly. So I decided, let's go, as it's my big day. Let's be real in this day, not any fake dramatic thing. So that thought I had. Even if I look ugly, no matter. It is my big day. I have to be real in this. So I decided to go for non-makeup look. So naturally I got ready and I dressed however I want. The hairstyle and everything, ornaments. That made me look good.
how you did that shopping. It was online,
Shopping, like
offline.
I searched, like I'm very particular person with my outfit and ornaments. I searched a lot. I combined all the things. I imagined what if I wear this, what if I wear that. So in my mind itself, I calculated the things and I done the shopping wisely. So it went well. I feel so proud that in my wedding I didn't wear
Makeup.
makeup. I feel good for that.
Okay, what's your suggestion for the girls? Should they go for the makeup, or it will be good without
It's
makeup?
completely their choice. See, if I'm feeling good without makeup, I cannot tell others to go with that look itself. If they feel comfortable with the makeup, they can go with the makeup. Otherwise, they can. If they feel confident without makeup also, then they should go for
Without makeup look.
natural look itself. And as you are also beautiful, I suggest you to don't
Not
go
go.
for makeup.
Yeah, even I'm not interested because earlier I used foundation and all when they were a function in our home. No, I used, but that was looking like how drama people do the makeup, no. And as I am a brown skin girl, it won't work. Even I feel in a simple way only I look good. And the main thing is now everyone will do the makeup. That PhD makeup,
Yes,
photo
yes.
shoot, this, that, and all. So
If
I
you
don't.
are not something unique, then what's the use?
Huh. So even I'll not go for that. Yeah, yeah, I have a question for you. Again, another one question. As this trend is going on, like photo shoot and all, you just skip that one just because you didn't get the time, or you were very much against about that photo shoot?
Uh, Earlier, I too was interested to have a photo shoot and all, but when I started to watch all the pre-wedding photos, videos, I felt very similarities and aesthetic kind of photography I planned. That also now many people are doing. I felt like there we are showing the fake things which are not real. I don't want it to be fake. I want the real incident to be captured unknowingly, candid things. That's why we both decided we'll not go for photo shoot. However, we are showing the fake romance there, which we don't wanted. That's why we skipped that. Everybody are doing the same thing. What is that? Flying the gown, holding guitar. If the guys don't know also, he will try to hold the guitar. So I feel it's not a realistic, fake. I feel so. we skipped that
Mm.
part.
Next, do you have any plan in photo, like photo shooting and all?
Photos, for particularly photo shooting, I don't have any plan. If it is a real time capturings, then I'm okay with that. It should be real, it should be natural. Some candid kind of videos, photos I like.
Okay. As
But there will be nobody to capture us, that's the saddest part.
Yeah, that's a personal space. No, nobody will come.
That is the thing.
Yeah, as I know, after marriage, you guys haven't been anywhere. Like, do you have any particular plan? Like, we both should go there and enjoy.
Why I haven't gone anywhere with him means every couple does the same thing. That when they get married newly, they'll roam around everywhere, and 3 months they'll enjoy, and next 4 months they'll be disappeared. So that I don't want it. So I'm maintaining the consistency. How we were before our marriage, now also it should be like that. Suddenly giving us lot of hype and suddenly reducing it.
That you don't want.
Just because we are married, I don't want to go for any trip. If we are okay with the trip, if we wanted to go, then we will go.
Yeah, nice thought. You gonna miss your home once you shift to Dharwad?
I have very one bad quality. If I am here, I don't think about Dharwad. If I go there, I don't think about Haveri. I am like that. I have a very good adaptability skills. I switch the things easily. I easily adopt the things. I don't miss. If anything wrong happens with me here, I miss Dharwad. If anything wrong happens with me in Dharwad, I miss Haveri. If only I miss when something
is
goes wrong.
Something is
Apart from that, I don't really miss anybody in the home.